Eyewitness accounts of bizarre encounters with unknown species.
And they definitely are primates of some kind. They are walking upright and they're moving fairly fast.
Everyone is out to get my Fanny. Everybody wants to see my Fanny. Everybody likes to hold my Fanny, but she loves no one but me. Everybody wants to seize my Fanny. Everybody likes to squeeze my Fanny. They do everything to please my Fanny. Still she loves no one but me. Don't touch my Fanny, please don't ever try. My little Fanny is reserved for just one guy. That's why I never let another love light blind me. Everywhere I go you'll always find me with me little Fanny right behind me, 'cause she's so in love with me. Everyone who ever spied my Fanny tried to hang around beside my Fanny. Maybe I should go and hide my Fanny, or she'll find somebody new. I've seen loads of Fannies in my time, and frequently their cheeks were close to mine. Never have I held one so divine like the Fanny that belongs to me. We will be married someday next June, and when we go away to spend our honeymoon, I know that everyone is going to miss my Fanny. No one ever could resist my Fanny, but they wouldn't dare to kiss my Fanny, 'cause she's so in love with me.
But she sits so high and mighty in her scanny 164.